Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a poster presentation in Canva, step by step. Whether you're using a pre-made template or designing from scratch, this guide will help you create a professional-looking poster with ease. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open Canva and click on Presentation to start with a blank presentation. If you prefer using a template, type Poster Presentation in the search bar and choose one that fits your style. Step 2. Next, you have a few options. If you already have a poster file on your computer, click Upload to import it. If you want to use a preset design, click on Design to browse Canva's templates. But if you prefer creating your own from scratch, go to the Elements tab and start adding shapes, text, and images to customize your poster. Step 3. To add more slides to your presentation, click on the plus button. You can also adjust the duration of each slide to control how long it appears during the presentation. Step 4. Once you're happy with your poster presentation, click on Present to preview it. If everything looks good, click Share, then Download, and choose your preferred format to save your file. And that's it. Now you know how to make a poster presentation in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.